We're here in the suburbs of Brisbane. I had massive power bills. My bills used to be $1,000 a quarter and I wanted to control that more.
I really didn't want to have to change how we ran all of the appliances in the homes.
I had solar panels. I could retrofit my existing panels with the RedEarth energy storage system. I looked at the other competitors and they just couldn't offer me a great Australian product like RedEarth, and I wanted to keep my money here in Australia.
I'm a chef and I love to cook. I'm running 2 ovens and all the other appliances.
Since we put the system in, I don't have to worry about how much I use with power. And now I have so much excess that I can actually trade it and send it back to the grid for a passive income. My overall feeling for the RedEarth system is that I'm pretty excited about the future and I'm playing my part in being green.
It's time to say goodbye to power bills.
And make a passive income.